Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Today the dish that I'm going to cook for you today is named a shepherd's pie. But instead of using white potatoes, I'm going to use sweet potatoes today. I think the sweet potatoes are going to bring a different texture, a different feel to the whole dish. So come on, let's get started. I have already sliced and chopped 2 sweet potatoes, so we're going to use 3 sweet potatoes today. I'm going to dice them small so that they will cook quick. Now we're going to place these chopped sweet potatoes in with the rest of them, and we're going to let them boil until tender. We will be using Life Smart Ground to replace the beef that they normally would use, and we're going to use half of a white onion and 2 cloves of garlic. So let's pop some garlic. We're gonna pop some garlic. It's easy to peel this way. So easy to do that. Now we're gonna mince these up a little bit. Now we're gonna chop up half of our white onion. Now we are going to add the onions and our garlic to this bowl. Here we're going to add our onions and our garlic to the pan. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of pink salt, and 1 teaspoon of Bragg's Organic Sprinkle Herbs and Spice. We're going to use 6 ounces of the Smart Crumbs. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of miso paste. Two tablespoons of water. Add some frozen veggies to the pot. We're going to add just a little water to wake them up. And the sweet potatoes are ready. And we're going to add our sweet potatoes to the bowl. We're going to add about 1 teaspoon of butter. We're going to add a sprinkle of salt, just a little. We're going to add some thyme and a little bit of rosemary to our sweet potatoes. Not so much. Just a little bit of time. We're not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to chop this up just a little bit to release all the flavor. We're going to add some pepper. Now let's mix it up. Okay, now guys, we get ready to build our shepherd's pie. Now remember to keep your Smart Ground a little wet because it's going to bake, so that means it may dry a little bit, and you don't want it too dry. So that's the first layer. Second layer is your mixed vegetables. Make sure you drain them. Can you imagine how pretty that's going to be? And the final layer is your smashed sweet potatoes. We're going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes until golden brown. That is so beautiful. Let's dish this up. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Now for the taste. You know how I do. I think it's better than the original shepherd's pie. No shade, just saying. But guys, listen, if you make this recipe, please let me know. Leave me a comment or tag me in it. And thank you for stopping by my kitchen. And don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys. Bye.